our first lockdown 2020 recipe, and hope there will be plenty more to come.
Today we're going to make a Sri Lankan aubergine curry. I'm going to show you how to actually slice the aubergine very quickly, just halve it, and I always like to have the skin on, so just do that and then you just cut it up that way. 750 grams of aubergine, that's about 3 aubergines sliced so that each piece has a bit of skin on. That should be mixed with 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1¼ teaspoon of salt, all mixed up and baked at 200 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 40 minutes. You also need 6 cardamoms crushed, 7 centimeter piece of cinnamon, 5 cloves, 6 curry leaves, 1 large onion chopped, 1 green chilli, preferably a Thai green chilli chopped so that there's a little bit of heat, 5 cloves of garlic and 5 centimeter piece of ginger crushed, 1½ tablespoon of rice vinegar with 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 5 teaspoons of sugar.
Let's cook!
Great! So I have just heated 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm going to wait till it gets heated. I'm going to add the cardamoms, the cloves, the curry leaves and the cinnamon first and let it heat up and sizzle a bit. Now that all those spices are sizzling, so I'm going to put the onion, the chopped onion in, and I'm going to wait for that to actually cook a little bit and brown. It's got to brown. I've also got the chopped chili which I'd like to add. So we've got to wait for the onions to brown a little bit.
Okay, right. Are you going to put the aubergine, did you bake it before?
Right.
But if people want to, oh, the chili, that's why.
Yeah. The aubergine was baked, and you can actually fry the aubergine. A lot of Sri Lankans like to fry, but I find that that's just very time consuming and it is also quite oily when you fry it. So I prefer to bake it with a little bit of oil.
If you want to fry it, when do you put it in?
So I'll show you, it will be at the same, you have to fry it and leave it aside and then do exactly what I'm doing now.
Alright, okay.
Then I'm going to put a little bit of the garlic and ginger in. And now I'm going to add the aubergine.
Alright, yeah. Your aubergine is getting burned. I can see it.
This is very difficult. Okay, so now I'm going to put the chili powder.
Yeah.
Now this is mustard and the rice vinegar.
Okay.
So I've got this mustard and rice vinegar combination, really, instead of tamarind, and the sugar.
Because you really need sugar to balance it a bit, isn't it?
Yeah. Absolutely. You need to use a fair amount of sugar really. And then you just let it cook for a little bit. That's done!
Would you like to taste it?
Okay, Cynthia, do you want to try some?
Yes, please. Very good, very spicy. Please
Please subscribe and like below.